back to the channel, you guys. We are gonna talk about today Ramayana. It's a very controversial and also, I think, uh, important. Ram and Hanuman has been a very important figure, right? So, थोड़े से मच्छर लग रहे थे ना. जगह बहुत सेक्सी है, अच्छी है, आनंदमयी है, सुंदर है. Today we are going to be talking about Ramayana and the characters actually. So we often associate Hanuman with the power and Bal for that matter, right? The uh, Vedic shabd for Bal, for power, for force. So that is we Vedic culture used the word Bal. So that was their force resembling function. Actually, there is so much to talk about, and I always like get if I get, and that has always been the case with me, right? When I go into something, I go into it, right? And when somebody goes into something, they becomes the right. So I always talk about like what do you mean by swatantra? So it's funny and weird that we have removed the word swa and only have tantra right now. So when somebody said earlier that आपको not attached, disattachment and detachment, I would say, right? These words are not even in my dictionary for that matter, so forget anything else. But yeah, so they were like forget swa and took the tantra, because swa means saas, right? So swatantra means that what the tantra uses is used by the swa, so that becomes swatantra. uh, when you're using language, either you are swatantra, right? Swa is having a tantra, otherwise it's chaos, right? It's not swatantra, it's just chaos. So either you're swatantra or you're not, right? Either your swa has a tantra, either you're, it's like मैं स्वतंत्र हूँ. Really? You sure? Language is not using you, bhasha is not using you. So that is swatantra. Now Hanuman and Ram. So Ram na milenge Hanuman ke bina, Hanuman na milenge Shri Ram ke bina. So actually Ram is the fact that Hanuman has Ram in his chest, right? When he was asked to show the love and everything for Ram, so he just, I think he plugged out, his, is that the right word? I guess. So he plugged out his chest and he saw Ram and apparently Sita also. So yeah, it's like, so Ram is the swas. So when the swas is so that's Hanuman. Otherwise there will be no Hanuman, in the sense that your body will not feel powered, forced, if you don't have the alignment of breath, right? If you're not swatantra, right? So you will never be Hanuman, and Hanuman is Ram when he's aligned, when he's in Rit. So that was the concept, and it's very fascinating. Every human is Ram and Hanuman at the end of the day, right? They're having a body, and the saas is right, is it's fighting with Dash Dashanan. He's having fight, and then he goes up. This fight is also in seventh mandal of Rigved. So there is a story which, and that's very sad that actually that story is very less known, because it would have just, right, people would have I don't know, for some reason we have lost so many things because we didn't understand Swatantra, we didn't whatever, right? It's so when you are not when you have to be a Maryada Purushottam, because if Sans is using dhatus, is using shabd as padarth, and that shabd is dhatu, right, with either sarg or visarg, that becomes pad when it's used in the sentence, right? So humans are using language, and that is swatantra, can be, but depends. So depends on what, right? It's just fascinating. How do I know? As I say, it's fascinating. Also, the mantra of this channel is let's get it clear. So I don't know if you guys are shocked or not. It's not even a thing for me, like getting shocked or something, right? It's something else. Also, I want to share something else, right? Asha, I have been a born dancer, right? I have been dancing like since I am. So when I remember when I used to dance in like 5th 6th class, in 5th class I was giving an interview, in the sense audition, right? So we were having an annual function, so they were like arranging what was there, they were arranging their annual function, because it was annual function. So so they were having like dances and all, right? So I went to audition, and the teacher, her name was Anita. So she was like, Himani, why are you looking up when you're dancing? You're dancing very good. Your expressions are very on point, everything. And why are you looking up? And I'm like, I'm sorry. I don't know. As a dancer, I don't know that I'm looking up, right? I'm just dancing. But then I understood something, right? When I understood Rigved as Devta and Asur and everything. So I got why I am the way I am. Also, sadhana is very common, and it's not just common, it's the legacy which the India has left behind, for that matter. So that started from, so I do Kathak also, right? So that started from Natya Ved, actually 5th Ved, that's 5th Ved. It's not even called Ved anymore, it's called as Shastra, so that's not Natya Shastra, that is. And from there they started sadhana. That was sadhana, right? Your body takes mudras, otherwise it cannot have that swatantra, right? Also guys, if you wanted to know what exactly is swatantra and everything, either keep watching or just keep watching. I don't have an other way. I haven't like thought about it yet, and we are just here trying to make things clear. But we have what we have found out along our ways and got shocked. So I don't know, I'm not gonna say this, they don't know that, this, it's not even a thing, right? It's not even a thing either. So yeah, that started. I'm sorry why I kind of stop at places, because that just doesn't, it becomes right. I have had my fair share of, right, like why did but again, it's not even why, it's just inevitable, right? When the bhasha is being used without understanding it, it's inevitable, right? If you did understand it, that the game is just something else, right? And yeah, so Natya Ved started their sadhana, but that was the only practical thing which can be. Apparently, Natya Ved was brought about by Bharat Muni. His name was Bharat Muni, either he was like many people or one, that's just, you know, is a thing. But yes, the primary author is said to be Bharat Muni. So he started Natya Ved, and from there India started with sadhana. But you know, that was mudra, and mudra, like, right, आप सो आप अपने सांस को वो साध कर रहे हो, आप उसमें साधना कर सकते हो. दैट्स प्रैक्टिकली योर हनुमान with your Ram. But again, what else are we doing now? I mean, that's just chaotic, and I am scared. Like, I am scared. What you guys are doing? Dance, I started dance, like, it was a very natural thing, right? Because and that's how we started. Indians started with sadhana. We forget. When we forget the rishis, we forget Rigved. When we had munis, we had sadhana. So brought about by Bharat Muni, right? Bharat. And that was sadhana. So if you wanted to do sadhana, just dance, okay? Dance as mudra. And if you'll notice, guys, that happens in itself. You don't have to do that. And also, it just you're living the life that much that, you know, you get swatantra with it, with the ashish, right? And that's how it is. I hope it helps, and I hope we did get it clear. And मच्छर था यार. It's like, what shall I do? That's how it is, right? अगर आप मच्छर को भी मार रहे हो तो it becomes like that, right? You can't be like, अरे, so it's not grace. I'm sorry, I had a pimple also. So it's not grace, right? Grace is how you're. So I hope we did get it clear, guys. There are some nuances here, right? A lot of nuances. If you are like, are Ram Mila, Hanuman Mila Ram, you could have understood that. But if you are, welcome. If you're not, let's start the journey and get it clear, guys. उसे बंद कर. I just wanted to do it a mudra, honestly.